Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, let's learn how to log in into Google AI Studio using your Google account. First thing first, open your browser. At the top search bar, type in Google AI Studio. Now, in order to get logged into your Google account via this, you have to simply click onto the first search result. Just as it is so, it will automatically locate whichever Google account that you have previously signed in, and it doesn't have to be with this application. As you can see that I am signed in to my as initial account. If we go back before opening this, I was also signed in to my as initial account. And whichever Google account you may log into, as you can see that I have switched my Google account from initial as to initial n. Let's go ahead and open Google AI Studio. And as you can see, this is my new account now. This is opened by initial n, and this I have is initial s. So guys, this is how you can get logged into your account. Thank you for watching.